In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix IPv6 connectivity, no network access error in Windows. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is do a search and search for troubleshooter settings or troubleshoot settings. Double click on it. Then from here, we want to click onto other troubleshooters. Then from here, we need to click onto network and internet, and then click run next to network and internet. Click run. I'll expand this, and then this will come up, but if it detects anything here, it will go ahead and fix it for you. The second step, if the first step doesn't work, is to do a search, look for CMD, command prompt. We want to right click that and click on run as administrator. Click yes again. And then from here, we want to type in ipconfig flush DNS. So I'll type that in now, ipconfig space /flush DNS, and then hit enter. Then it'll say successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. And then from here, we need to type in NETSH win sock reset. Then hit enter. Once you've done that, exit out. And then for the third step, we need to click onto search and then type for network reset. Here it is here, network reset. Click onto it. Then from here, we want to click on reset now and then click yes. It will go ahead and try and restart your computer in 5 minutes, or you can skip that and reset your computer right away. And then the problem should be fixed from there.